I am independent.
The grown-ups are up to something this morning. Today is the 15th of August. It is India's Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day!
Mummy? Daddy? What are you wearing? Cake? Cake!
Today is India's birthday. It's called Independence Day. And it's a holiday.
What's
Independence.
Independence. What does that mean?
Independence is when you can do things on your own without any help.
Why is that important, Daddy?
It's a part of growing up, Bubble. And it makes us proud to see you become independent.
Like when you brush your teeth independently, it feels great, right?
From now on, I shall do everything independent.
Come on, kids. There is a celebration downstairs with a large kids zone to play. Come on. Come. Let's go.
I'll push you, Bubble. No, Naz. I will swing on my own. Huh? But I always push the swing for you. Yes, but now I will do it independently. Oi, Bubble. Independent is no fun. Let Naz push you. See, Maddie is going so high. No, I told my mummy on my own.
Here, Bubble, let me push you.
No, thank you, Auntie Ayar. I will do it independently.
Well, that's wonderful, Bubble. I'm proud of you.
Aha! Grown-ups seem to like independent kids.
Nice try, Maddie. Shall I show you how to get it right?
No, thank you, Uncle Kapoor. Independently.
Wow, that's super, Maddie.
Looks like all the children want to be independent now.
Stop copying me, Maddie.
It's India's Independence Day. You were copying India. Now I'm copying you.
Bunny, shall I send Bubble to seesaw with you?
No, Auntie Kapoor. I want to seesaw independently.
Independently. Okay, now that's great. But it's a bit tricky to seesaw alone.
I will still try, Auntie Kapoor.
Good luck, Bunny.
Happy Independence Day, India! I see that all the kids have understood the meaning of independence today.
So, what shall we promise to do on our own from now?
Wait, I'll tell you. I promise to brush my teeth independently twice a day. In the morning and at night.
Yay! Well said, well said.
I promise to change my clothes independently.
I promise to feed my dogs independently every day.
Well said, Div.
I promise to finish my tiffin in school independently every day.
Bunny.
I promise to pack my school bag independently every day.
That was absolutely wonderful, everybody. Happy Independence Day!
Happy Independence Day!
Happy
Independence Day!